All right, y'all. This one's gonna be probably not too nice. All right, so I will give you the picture and the pattern of this one. I did do a larger size. I'll drop on the screen which one it was that I did. As you can tell, it's really big on top. So that means I got it for the hips. But I think I picked one. I picked the wrong fabric because it does not... It's not a fabric I remember what the content of it is. It's just one. I wanted to try the pattern out and see if I was going to like it. And I don't. I will have to do too many modifications for it. I will probably not make this one again. If I do, no, I'm not. I'm not even going to tell you. Because there's another pattern that I have that I've done something very similar. And I like it much better. So I probably won't do this one again. So I did a lot of top stitching. So the parts I don't like is right here. Okay, it's a drop off the shoulder one. Okay, so I could do it without the sleeves, but you see where it drops at? It actually is tight around here, but it's very loose down here. I did not modify or change anything. I've made it as is. Okay, right here, I don't like how it pinches me when and I did top stitching because I didn't want the looseness inside, and I don't know if that was a good idea. All right, it's neither here nor there. Then, of course, it is too big because it rolls too far forward. That's at least an inch difference. Okay, right here. Here's my here me is up. You see how much? That's like 5 inches. That means it's 5 inches, so it's 10 inches or more ease on the side. Then it's got details on the side. Unless you color block, you don't see nothing. To me, it was a waste of fabric and a waste of work. No, I will not. No, I will not do this one again. I've held this pattern probably for 6 to 8 years, probably 10. Who knows? That's probably the reason why I've held it that long. It's because I kept on thinking, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. Some patterns are ridiculous. And I think if I even pick the right fabric, it still won't be right. I think these actual inserts, I'm telling you, this is just for the shirt. Of course, the insert's bigger when you put it or make the dress, but it's really like no purpose in it. I hate that as long as it is, you don't have a pocket or something. I think it needs a pocket. I guess it makes me think of a hoodie. So I'm not feeling this one. So that's neither here nor there. Okay, y'all. So that's it for this one. Yeah. It's a no. I'm gonna wear it because I got it and it's done. But do I like it? No, I don't. I'll probably wear this more in the house than outside. It'll be great for when I get cold because of the material I use, which is a knit polyester blend. But as you can tell, the sleeves are extra long, which could be cool if if it actually fit right. Was that rude? That's how I feel. Anyway.